Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I've shown you how to create a login page with your Visual Basic Windows Form application and your MySQL database. So whenever you enter some username and password, and if it's correct, it checks the username and password in the database, and if it's correct, it shows this username and password correct message. But if you have noticed, when you enter some password in the password field, it types whatever user types from the keyword, and this is not correct from the point of view of security. So generally what happens, or what you need, is some kind of a character which hides your password, like this. So in this video I will show you how you can show these character instead of your real password when you enter some password in this field. So let's get started. It's very simple. You just need to select your password text box here, and you need to go to the property and search for the property called password char, and whatever character you enter here, for example I enter here asterisk or this star sign, and then I run the program. Now I can enter the username whatever. For example, I want to enter some username. Whatever I type in the keyboard, it comes here. But whenever I enter the password, I can see only this asterisk or the star symbol, which hides my password from other users, right? And you can also change this character. Instead of asterisk, you can use this dollar, and once again when I run the program, and when you enter any password, it will show this dollar symbol. So it's up to you what character you want to show in your password char. Okay, and it will protect your password from other viewers. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.